So you want a home, not just four walls and Wi-Fi, an actual life. You start searching. You call brokers. You ask friends. Your broker sends listings. Your friends share tips. You scroll. You drive. You visit. You repeat. Downtown, too loud. Beach, too busy. Close to work, too small. Far from work, too far. Everything looks perfect, until it really doesn't. Wrong vibe, wrong view, wrong neighbors, wrong feeling. Then you find it. Jumeirah Golf Estates. 2 championship courses, 15 lakes, 6 million square feet of green. A community where rush hour means a golf cart doing 15 kilometers per hour. And in the center, Terra by Terra. 6-bedroom villas and townhouses, sky lounges, private pools, minimal design, maximum calm. You walk in, the air feels different. The light hits right. It's luxury, you know. Welcome to Terra. It only took forever to find home. Worth it? Absolutely.